The objective over the course of the next 30 seconds is to show you what the SiteGlue will look like on your website. You'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner, there are 4 ways for your customer, client, patient, etc. to be able to get in contact with you. They can contact us, schedule an appointment, text, or web chat. So I'll show you what it looks like if we click on Contact Us. You'll notice a form pops up. They fill in this information, submit it, preferred contact message, submit. Or they wanted to schedule an appointment with you, they would just click on that, and then a calendar will pop up and allow them to schedule an appointment with one of the doctors on board, or for any specific purpose, whether it's a cleaning, checkup, whatever it may be. So very simple. Again, this is what it would look like on your website. It would be on the home page. It would be on the About Us page. It would be on any page that you want it to be, or all of them, and follow the customer around no matter where they go. All right, well, I said 30 seconds. It's been a little over a minute, so I will conclude this.